What he said was just an illness and a little bit of bone bruising on his knee is now more. Obviously, last week, Dylan Ferrandis didn't race because of those two issues or excuses or whatever you want to call them. What he said was, a little illness and the bone bruises. Well, posting as I'm reading this 2 hours ago, saying, quote, unfortunately, I will not race again this weekend. I got sick after round 6, and with training and racing every weeks, it turned out to be lung infection. And I'm reading this as it is, so English is a little weird, but it was not possible to ride the last 2 weeks, but I feel better. Still not 100%, but getting there slowly. I hope I can come back to normal training routine for next week and be back at races soon. Races quick, sorry. But something like that, with a lung infection, obviously breathing is going to be a problem. He's, like you said, he hasn't been training for the last 2 weeks, so even when he does come back, obviously these guys are very well cardio, they are tip top shape, whatever you want to call it. So a couple weeks isn't going to be the biggest thing in the world, but it's going to be a couple weeks off coming after, a sickness, whatever, the little bit of lingering problems with that. Especially breathing is going to be the biggest issue. You come into a race situation, you're trying to get as much oxygen down as you possibly can and keep your heart rate normal. And if you're sitting there trying to, huff and puff and suck in air, it's going to be even harder to race. So hopefully we see him come back. Like I said, hopefully you can train this week and be back to normal and, back fighting for the top position or at least, competitive positions. And I don't know. I hope he's fine because obviously you never want to see somebody get injured or get sick and, be out for half a season because of something stupid. And personally, I like as much competition as possible. So I'd hope he comes back as soon as possible. Comments below, you guys tell me, are you excited for Seattle? Are you excited for Jet to win this title because that's what's going to happen? Who do you think wins the 250 on either side? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.